I have VIVO X60 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change icon's shape on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just download this app X Icon Changer from the Play Store, open it, tap continue to the icon changer, and here you can change your icons. For example, let's pick Google Chrome, and now you can pick different icons for this application. Like you have different themes here. You can also set up your own image. You can select it from camera or from the gallery, but first you will have to watch an ad. So I'll just go into select one of these pre-installed ones. So let's pick this one. Then tap OK. Then you have to watch an ad, but I will save you from that. And after that, this new icon will be added to the home screen. And here it is. And now I have my new Chrome icon. So as you can see, it works the same as the normal Chrome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.